Hi, it's Ken Hadrick, Dean of the Pie Academy, where we teach you everything you need to know about pie making. I want to talk to you today about graham cracker crusts. You know, the kind that we typically use for cream pies and icebox pies and key lime pies and those. I mean, sure, you can buy a graham cracker crust like this, but that's rookie mistake number one, and we can't have you looking like a rookie now, can we? So stay tuned, and I'll tell you how to avoid several other rookie mistakes and how you can make a professional looking crust that doesn't look like a kindergarten art project. So you can spot a rookie graham cracker crust maker a mile away when you see a crust that looks like this. Here's your pan, and here goes the rookie pressing in her crust kind of like so. Hello, we're building a pie here, not a backyard slide, so it would be really nice, instead of sloping, if our crust at least vaguely resembled the lines of our pan, something like this. So the first thing you want to do before you do any pressing at all is to take a minute or two to spread all of your crumbs around evenly, leaving a nice thick berm of crumbs on the outside so the sides don't wind up paper thin. Paper thin sides are another big rookie tell. Only after you have a loose but nice even layer of crumbs all around should you start pressing. Do a light preliminary press with your fingers in case you have to reposition some of the crumbs, and then move that crumb berm and start pressing it into the sides of the pan like so. See how the sides are pretty substantial and evenly thick? That's the veteran look that you want. Now here's the move that really separates the men from the boys and the women from the girls. Clean and dry your hands, tear off a long piece of plastic wrap, and drape it in the shell like so. Take up any slack in the plastic, and then start pressing and pulling on the plastic to flatten the crumbs up against the sides. Square off the crumbs along the bottom crease in the pan and at the top so you don't get those sloped rookie sides that we talked about. The plastic will keep the crumbs from sticking to your fingers, which in turn will keep the crust nice and smooth and tight against the sides. If you want, you can always level out the bottom of the shell with a measuring cup. Everyone seems to like that little trick. Either way, when you're done, you should have a level bottom and evenly thick sides that come up pretty much flush with the top of the pan. Now, put the shell in your fridge and preheat the oven to about 350 degrees for maybe 10 minutes. Incidentally, I wouldn't tell you all this without giving you my favorite recipe for graham cracker crust, which includes finely ground walnuts, by the way. It's the best, and you'll find the recipe below. Once the oven is preheated, put the shell on the center rack and bake it for 8 minutes. That's just enough time for the crust to set up and sort of fuse the crumbs together. Anyway, I hope this helps. Don't forget to look for the recipe below. And please like this video if you found it likable, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and sign up over at thepieacademy.com so you don't miss any of the fun stuff we're up to. Take care.